Hey Kia Hyundai channel, my name's Gabi, and in today's video we're talking all about remote smart park assist in your Kia or Hyundai car. Today's vehicle is the EV9, which is Kia's largest fully electric SUV. This is going to be an interesting test. Now we have done this about 3 years ago on the EV6 when this feature was first introduced, and it did a pretty good job. Let's see if it does better, and we'll also compare both interior remote smart park assist and exterior remote smart park assist. Let's go. So we'll first start off with how to remote smart park while remaining inside the vehicle. Now, the buttons you're going to look out for is this park view camera. It looks like a little camera with a P in the middle. You're going to press and hold that button to get your car into search mode. This means that while you're driving through a parking lot, it's going to be scanning for available spaces, and the vehicle will ping once it finds something. So let's try it out. And to make things extra stressful today, I've sacrificed my two most prized possessions, just like our last video on this, except my personal vehicles have gotten significantly worse. All right, so I've pressed and hold our search button. I'm now going to put my vehicle into drive. Press and hold it again, sorry, because it was in park. And we're scanning. You're going to drive slowly past your parking spot options, and the vehicle will beep and chime once a parking spot has been found. Let's see, there we go. We'll now press on the spot, and then I can either select remote parking or smart parking. Again, we're doing smart parking first, then we'll do remote parking. Now I'm gonna take my hands off the wheel, and you'll press and hold the park view button the entire time. If you let go of this park view button, this sequence will stop and your vehicle will stop parking itself. Now my vehicle has indicated that I'm to release my brake pedal, and the car will get rolling. So you can view the park view camera, watch what's happening, but of course I certainly recommend checking your mirrors too. Oh, it's getting close to the Firefly. We're gonna try not to edit this video at all, so the time frame that it takes to park the car will be accurate. Super strange seeing your steering wheel move like that. Very quick. I will point out, Charlotte and I have played around with this a bit. Because there isn't a lot of full spots in our lot, I mean, we are in a car dealership, it's going to use a lot more room versus if you were parked in a real parking lot where there's a bunch of cars all around you. So you saw our car move very upwards to reverse park. Now we're in our spot, the sequence has stopped, and we get our parking completed message. It does turn on the parking brake, and now you are good to exit your vehicle. Let's check if it's straight though. Okay, so we're parked perfectly straight. The depth is good too. We didn't hit either of my prized possessions. I'm pretty happy with it. Now I don't know how long that took. I'll check it in editing, but it didn't feel that long. Would you use this every day? I don't know, but it's kind of fun to show off to your friends every once in a while. Now let's try it with the key fob. Now to use Remote Smart Park from your remote, this is what you'll do. The initial sequence will be the same, so you'll press and hold your camera button to put your vehicle into scanning mode, and then you'll drive up and find the parking spot. We're gonna do this same exact spot as before, so once I pass my truck, it should ping and illuminate with the available spot. There we go. I'll now press the selected spot and select remote parking. Now it says shift to park. You'll leave the vehicle while keeping the key, of course, and then you'll press and hold either on the front or reverse button for Remote Smart Park. Let's go. Charlotte and I will both exit, leave the car running, and you do have to stay fairly close to the vehicle, but now I'll press and hold the forward button. My vehicle will start its sequence. Just gonna get out of the way for her. Now this will be exceptionally helpful if you are parked somewhere that's a little bit tighter and you are worried about, digging the doors or just unloading your kids. This is an easy way to get everyone out of the car first, then park the vehicle. All right. So weird seeing the car move with no one driving. Do you guys think it's more stressful being on the outside or being inside the vehicle? I definitely think the outside's scarier. There we go. she's all done. So I'm not sure again how long that was. We'll do a little timestamp, but it's perfectly centered, didn't hit anybody, and I'm out of the car already, so I don't have to worry about dinging my doors. Now again, leave us or let us know in the comments if you have ever used Remote Smart Park on your vehicle or if you plan on using it in the future. It's something that we often forget about at the dealership, but are always pleasantly surprised once we do it. Thanks for watching, you guys, and make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this. Bye-bye.